Hi there, I'm going to show you how to change the battery in this Acura RDX key fob. Pretty straightforward process, and here's what you need. One small Phillips head screwdriver. I'm going to be using a flathead screwdriver as well. And then you need one of the replacement batteries. This takes a 1616, and you can get these off Amazon. Just a couple bucks. There's a link below in the description. First thing you want to do is remove this tiny little Phillips head from right there. Once that's out, this piece right here, the bottom portion will be popping up. Take your screwdriver, just kind of plop that out. Okay, now that you have that out, put your screwdriver right here and just pop out this portion. Okay, once you have this out, the battery's kind of sitting right here. Right here there's a little indentation. And you just want to take your screwdriver and work it around this case, like so. And then you have access to your 1616. I'm going to take the Phillips head screwdriver, anything to pry this out here. Your old battery comes out, the new one goes in positive side facing down. And then this goes like that. And you can test it at this point to make sure your buttons are up and working. Make sure you got your red light there. This goes back in here. Snug fit. Put this back in. This doesn't always come out, but occasionally it does. And then to put this back together, you seat it in here and squeeze that back together and put your screw back in, and you're all set. Thanks so much for watching. Hope this was helpful. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.